the configuration template will now create a template for vSmart and controller. Let's navigate to my configuration and find the template. From the device template, we're going to click the templates, and from the future template, create template from future template, and we're going to follow information. It is for a vSmart. And the template name we can say is vSmart MRF. Give a name, that's template for MRF enable vSmart. Click that, create the template. Now we're going to see create the template. We're going to enter a few things under the system. System here, we're going to create the template. It's going to be a vSmart, and that's template name vSmart MRF system. vSmart MRF system. Alright, then let's go to transport v management. Save it. Go to next tab, transport management VPN. We're going to click VPN 0, create our template. The template name is going to be vSmart VPN 0. Description, same thing, copy. Find out DNS, new host mapping. Host mapping, we're going to say rebound test drive. IP 10.2.106. 10.2.106. Edit. Click IPv4 route 0.0.0/0. That's the prefix. Now click next hop. Next hop, we're going to add address 10.2.1.1. Add this hop. Click add one more time. Check again. We have DNS mapping, IP route. Save it. Okay. We're missing VPN 0. Save it. Alright, we back to my device template. So let's go to transport management. Let's click VPN interface. We want to create template for this too. So this is going to be vSmart VPN 0 INTF. Same for description. Shut down. Say no. Interface. Ethernet 0. Or you can say ETH 0. Under IP configuration, select static, and we're going to set IPv4 as device variable. Let's name as VPN underscore IF IP address. Go to tunnel. Here the tunnel, we want to turn on the tunnel interface on. Click save. Then click create. Now we're seeing vSmart-MRF. Now let's click the three dots in front of a vSmart-MRF. Click copy. Template name here, put the non-MRF. Change description for MRF for the non-MRF. Click copy. Let's click the future template. We're going to click three dots in front of vSmart-MRF system. Click copy. Now we're going to do the same thing. Non-MRF system, non-MRF system. Click copy. Let's go to device template, and we click the three dots in front of vSmart and non-MRF system. Click edit. What are we going to edit? We're going to select the system template under vSmart and non-MRF system. Here, let's pick non-MRF system under system. Now let's click update. Let's edit the configuration groups. Configuration group, we are going to edit configuration group. We're going to edit the vBound host mapping for each of the configuration groups, and it is a requirement in the lab as we don't have DNS server. And we're going to add the VRIP configuration, and we're going to enable restriction on tunnel interface. Go to configuration, and we're going to find configuration group. For configuration groups, let's click three dots in front of East Coast DC and click edit. Let's expand the service profile East Coast DC LAN. You may see different sub-templates named under corporate user and the IoT devices. Those are auto-generated during workflow. I can change the sub-templates by clicking the three dots in front of them and edit. Now, let's click three dots in front of VPN Payment Processing Network 12 interface, which is a sub-template for payment processing network, and we're going to click edit feature. So VPN Payment Process Network 12 interface is the workflow created interface created under VRF corporate users. I can change the name then by clicking edit. So what we do now is to navigate to VRIP, click and expand IPv4 settings. We're going to click add VRIP IPv4. Let's do some group ID, make a global. It's going to be 202. Priority, we'll make device specific, which is going to be VRRP underscore priority. VIP priority. Alright. Here, IP address change to VIP IP address. Like this. Let's click Add. Click Save both devices. Both devices we're gonna save. Now expand transport and management profile East Coast DC WAN. First, collapse this. Transport management profile East Coast DC WAN. Alright, so let's click three dots in front of VPN 0 and add a feature. Let's go to DNS. No, not DNS. Host mapping. Add a new host mapping. It's gonna be vbond test drive because we don't have DNS server. 10.2.1.6. Gonna find my vbound, which is the validator. Add. Click also save on both devices. Let's click a feature in front of regional MPLS. Click edit feature. Let's go to tunnel. Find a restrict. Make a global. Click a restrict. Save on both devices. Then we're gonna do all the same thing for Premier Internet 1, Premier Internet 2, and Regional Internet. Let's do that. I'll pick a run thing. Let's do that again. Save both devices. We're editing regional internet. Premier Internet 1, also edit. Find a tunnel. Global. Save. Now, Premier Internet 2. Edit. Tunnel. Save on both devices. After done that all, let's go to on the top of tab, back to configuration list. Now we should do, click the three dots in front of West Coast DC and add it. Let's also expand transport management profile, West Coast DC WAN, and click three dots of VPN 0. Added that feature. Host mapping, add a host mapping. The name is test, is to get a vbound test drive. .2.1.6. Add. Get save on both devices. Find regional MPLS. We're gonna click Added feature. Same thing. We're gonna to enable restrict as global in tunnel. Global. Save that. Regional internet. Permit Internet 1. Add a feature. Find out tunnel. Restrict global. Enable this. Save. Permit Internet 2. Add a feature. Tunnel. Cancel that. You have to be very careful about this, because the GUI page is very slow. Okay, tunnel. Save both the device. Now, let's go back to the top. Go back configuration, group list. Let's now click three dots in front of the East Coast branch 2. Add it to this. We're also going to expand the transport management profile, East Coast branch 2 WAN, and click three dots of VPN 0. Host mapping. You know the drill. Add new host. That's test. Nope. That's my vbound test drive. .2.1.6. Add this. Save. Alright, let's click Add a feature in front of the regional MPLS. Same drawer. Find tunnel, and we're going to enable restrict as global. Just be patient with the GUI interface. It is going to be very slow. Save that. Now, close this. Find expand the service profile East Coast branch to LAN and click 3 dots in front of VPN payment processing network 12 interface, which is a sub interface of for the corporate user, and we're going to click add a feature. Now via IP, IPv4, add VIP IPv4, group ID, one make is 202. Priority, make a device specific. VRRP, priority. Same for IP address. Click add. Click save this. Now on the top, I will go back to configuration group list. Same thing, we're going to click 3 dots in front of West Coast branch 1 TLOC extension. Added this. And expand transport management profile. Find a VPN 0. Add this feature. We're going to click host mapping, add new host mapping, vbond test drive. Then .2.1.6. Click add, save on both devices. And click edit feature in front of transport regional internet shared TLOC. Wait a second, I have something wrong in here. Find West Coast branch 1 TLOC extension. So the site 500 will be configured as TLOC extension site. We might go to remove this. Let's create one new. West Coast BR1 TLOC the extension. Select set as a dual router. Site settings, do it one more time. WAN interface. Here we're going to select transport extension, and we're going to say static on edge 1. That's going to be amperes. Find this regional regional MPLS, show advanced interface. Let's make a global. Gigabit 2 regional MPLS IP. Regional MPLS mask. That's for device with tag edge device 01. Now, device with the tag edge device 2 is going to internet, and it's a public internet static. Get static public internet, show advanced, public internet, regional internet IP, regional internet mask. Same goes to WAN routing. For that, we're going to, it is first hop name, second hop, we're going to use this regional internet. Next hop, save that, show advanced. Same thing goes to the default route. Alright, click in LAN service on checklist via IP. We're gonna redo this, okay? Corporate user. To interface. Say gigabit is an S3. Description corporate. This way find VPN 10. IP address. VPN 10 mask. Interface 1. Say rollback 10. Corporate rollback. For IP address, paste this rollback 10 IP address, rollback 10 mask. All right. Next, create this. make one. Alright, I'll create a new one. Now we have a new one. That's gonna to edit this. Going to find transport this. Okay, they all have here. That's good. We have seen the shared TLOCs. Now host mapping, add a host mapping. We want to do vbound test drive. (10.2.1.6). Add. Save both devices. Now let's find feature in front of the transport regional internet shared TLOCs. Transport regional internet shared TLOC. Is this one? Flat tunnel. Restrict. Enable this. Save that. Now we're going to do transport regional and payouts TLOC. Transport regional MPS share TLOC. Let's also add this. This is supposed to be region, but that's okay. Public internet TLOC. So this time all you're doing is need to check this value, at least our TLOCs value are enabled for restrict. Let's check one more time. check all of that. I'm gonna go to service profile, and we're going to find out corporate user. Edit this. Find a VIP. And let's save both devices. Now let's go back to the configuration group list. Now we'll work on associate device to configuration groups. Let's navigate to configuration and configuration groups. We'll click the three dots in front of the East Coast DC and edit. Let's go on to associate device. Click associate. Next. Find the side 100 and we're going to click next. Click next. Click next. You see the arrow after saving, please save again and get around the arrow. Click save it again. And I will do it later. Back to configuration, we're going to perform the same steps. Configuration group to West Coast DC and East Coast branch 2 and West Coast BR1 T-lock extension. Next, West Coast DC, edit, associate, side 200, click on what I'll do later, exit this, back, see the number of devices associated already, East Coast branch 2, associated device, this time we'll associate 400, side 400, back, West Coast branch 1 T-lock extension. We're going to associate with side 500. Save again. Back. Now we'll associate the device to my configuration group.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.